Supply chain disruptions cost organizations $184 billion per year. In the Americas, supply chain issues stem from regulatory noncompliance, labor issues, and environmental breaches. Examples of recent supply chain breaches include: a large flooring company was recently selling laminate flooring with high levels of formaldehyde, a toxic substance. A large car manufacturer was installing software in diesel vehicles to manipulate emissions tests. Forced labor, including child labor and unsafe working conditions, was utilized by several large clothing manufacturers. These are only a few of the many recent violations in the Americas and throughout the global supply chain. What is driving the need for sustainable supply chains? Environmental impact. Supply chains significantly contribute to environmental issues such as greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and waste production. Consumer demand. Modern consumers are more informed and concerned about the origins and production methods of their products. Regulatory pressure. Governments worldwide are implementing stricter due diligence regulations. These factors collectively push companies to rethink and redesign their supply chains to be more environmentally and socially responsible while maintaining profitability. Partner with TÜV SÜD to make your business more resilient and sustainable. TÜV SÜD is world-renowned for providing international testing, assessment, training, and certification services for over 160 years, with offices in over 1,000 locations across 50 countries, and represented by over 28,000 employees. We have approximately 5,000 auditors available to provide sustainability audits and certification. TÜV SÜD America is a leading management systems certification body in North America and accredited to provide sustainability in the supply chain services. We offer standard and customized services that meet global supplier auditing and certification needs. The following are comprehensive sustainability services offered by TÜV SÜD. Social accountability standards such as SMETA, RBA, BSCI, SA 8000, environment, social, and governance supplier audits, and customized supply chain audits. We work with the customer to solve their supplier verification needs, including second-party supplier audits with a customized approach. TÜV SÜD is an approved provider of many sustainable industry programs, third-party standards, and collaborative initiatives globally. Scan the QR code and visit our Sustainable Supply Chain Management website to learn more. TÜV SÜD is your partner for supply chain due diligence.